Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy M32. So first of all, let me tell you that there are two versions of the M32. So one basic version, so this one here, and one 5G version. And you can recognize them here on the back if you have a look on the cameras. So if your phone looks like this here on the back, then it is okay and you can continue that video here. If not, follow the link in the description for the 5G version. Okay, first of all, we need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. It is a bit hidden, so you have to remove here the cable and also the power charging adapter, and then you will have here the SIM ejection tool. Just flap the wings and remove it like that. So otherwise you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, what is very nice here on that SIM tray is that you're able to insert two SIM cards next to a micro SD card at the same time. So let us start now with the first SIM card. You will place it always here in the middle. So with missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card, as I said. So you will put it on the first position, also missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below as well. Okay, and also optional is to add a micro SD card. You will put it here on the last position, so take care that nothing jumps out here. Just press a bit that it's well inserted, and this is how it looks like. And you can use, of course, also the micro SD card with just one SIM card is also possible, of course. And yeah, the contacts are below. So when after you put your construction back into the phone, shake a bit and take care that nothing jumps out, and close it well. Okay, yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.